can I get a CADIFA anyways? In the previous video, we explained that a CADIFA is a letter from Anvisa, meaning that a certain drug master file, DMF, was evaluated by the agency and considered to be approved. This letter will contain some basic information about the API, such as CADIFA number, API name and address of the DIFA holder, name and address of the manufacturing sites responsible for production of the API and intermediates, API specification, packaging description, storage conditions, retest or expiry date, and declaration of access. But what is the procedure to request a CADIFA? A CADIFA can only be requested by the DIFA holder, which is the company that possesses the knowledge about the entire manufacturing process of the API, and is responsible for this process from the introduction of the starting material. The DIFA holder may or may not be the API manufacturer. If a company is only a trader and not part of the same group as the API manufacturer, this trader cannot be the DIFA holder, hence it cannot request a CADIFA. There are three situations when a CADIFA can be requested. Anvisa will prioritize CADIFA requests associated with a MAH application, which can be a new submission or a post-approval variation. We will explain more about these types of variations in another video. However, a CADIFA may also be given upon expression of interest, when the DIFA holder requests a CADIFA spontaneously without any link to a MAH dossier. In this case, the DIFA holder will first inform Anvisa of its interest and then wait for Anvisa to request the DIFA to be sent. And the third situation is through invitation by decal, when Anvisa Board of Directors invites DIFA holders of a certain API to apply for a CADIFA. Independent of the situation, the DIFA holder will submit its DIFA to Anvisa, which could be an electronic or non-electronic submission. To know about the steps you need to take for the submission, you can access the CADIFA Guidance for Administrative Procedures issued by Anvisa. The link for this guidance will be in the description box below. There is no fee to obtain a CADIFA and no need to renew it. The CADIFA will be maintained through its life cycle. There is also no need to be legally established in Brazil to obtain a CADIFA. This means that the DIFA holder does not need to have a CNPJ number. This is the Brazilian Corporate Taxpayer Registration Number. The only fee needed is to request for the GMP certificates to be issued by Anvisa, and the CGMP also needs renewal. Moreover, the company requesting it must be legally established in Brazil. But don't worry, we will talk more about this in another video as well. It's just important to note that the process to obtain a CADIFA is not conditioned to having the GMP certificate. Now you know how a CADIFA can be requested. A Q&A document was also published by Anvisa to help clarify some of these points. Check out the link on the description below and stay tuned to learn more in our next videos.